Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by confirming a few essentials so tracking works. Make sure you're signed into your Apple ID and iCloud. This links device location to your account. Once done, enable location services in Settings Privacy and Security so GPS can report position. Next, open Settings, tap your name, choose Find My, and toggle on Find My iPhone. This first set of steps registers the device with Apple's network so you can locate it when needed. Now you'll actively locate the device using the Find My app. Open the app and tap Devices. You'll see devices linked to your Apple ID. Select the missing iPhone to view its current or last known location on the map and check battery status so you know urgency. If nearby, tap Play Sound to prompt the phone to make noise. If not, choose Directions to get navigation. You can also enable Notify when found to receive an alert once it comes online. Finish by securing the device and taking final actions. If you can't recover it quickly, use Mark as Lost to lock the screen with a passcode and show a custom message and contact number. This protects data while allowing return. If theft or sensitive exposure is certain, erase the iPhone remotely to remove personal information. Note erasing disables further location updates. If the device is offline, make sure you check iCloud. Calm and keep Notify when found active. Most issues resolve when it next connects.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.